Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and fix OBS Studio not recording. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to go ahead and try is get the basics out of the way. Go to add and remove programs and search for OBS right over here. And simply go ahead and uninstall and try to reinstall it back. Once you've done that, go ahead and right click on the application that you have right over here, click on properties, and once you're there, go to compatibility and make sure that run this program as administrator is ticked on, and go to security and simply go to the user that you currently are working on and make sure that you're giving full control to everything, just like that, so it doesn't interfere with anything. So once you've done that, go ahead into your OBS settings and simply go ahead into your output. And once you're on your output, if your video encoder is on NVENC and NVENC is not working, you can go ahead and use X264. It's gonna be the software version of it. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.